Okay, so this one is a bit more complex than others, but the end result is worth the effort. Transfer photos onto stone and create a museum-like display. I love how ancient and rustic these look, and you can do it with any photo that you want. I've shown you these before, I'm sure. These stone garden markers are great for indoor or outdoor projects. Whether you want to decorate your flower garden or mark your indoor herbs, stones are perfect. These are painted to look like veggies, which gives them such a fun look. Whether you're an artist or not, you can create a stunning stone sculpture to decorate your outdoor garden area. Just choose the stones you want to use, and then adhere them together, creating a sculpture of any size or shape you want. This is a great way to use up all those rocks in your garden without having to haul them away. Imagine these adorable little footprints walking through your flower garden or patio. Just choose stones of appropriate sizes, and then create the foot and toes. You can paint them if you prefer a bit more color, or just leave them natural for a really rustic look. We have a lot of river stone here, which leads to a lot of projects. This planter is one of my all-time favorites. It's easy, too. You just attach your stones or pebbles to an existing planter and it looks like the planter is made of stone. These would be beautiful on the porch or leading the way to your entry door. I love ladybugs, and I adore these ladybug rocks. Paint them in different colors to really bring out your flower beds. These would be great in any garden. I love how easy they are to create and how colorful they look all together.